Yo, what's going on, guys? It's Pokey the Collector here, back again with another video, and as you saw from the first clip, I received a package. Now this package is from Venatos, one of my sponsors, so make sure to use code Pokey for 10% off at the Venatos store. The link is in the description if you guys would like to pick up anything in this video. So what will happen is that I will open up the box, and the stuff that inside I'll make separate reviews for the items. Okay, but before we get into the video, make sure you guys like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon to stay notified of when I upload. Now, let's get on with the unboxing. Okay guys, kickstarting off the unboxing, we have the luxurious Venatos tape right here. Now Venatos uses their own custom tape with their branding and logo. The tape goes down from to the right and the left. And this package came from Canada, and my delivery details on it, so I'm not going to show you the bottom. Let's get into unboxing it right now. So first of all, I'll just take my scissors and cut the box down like so. Then I'll just cut it down from the sides like so. You have to be careful, guys, because they do good packaging, and if you're ever handling any sharp objects, you need to be careful so your fingers don't get hurt. Okay, that side's open. Now I'm just going to flip it around and cut this side like so. Okay guys, now I'm just going to close my scissors and put them to the side, and here we have it. So I opened up the box, and first of all, in this small box we have the ABS purple keycaps. Then we have the dark blue PBT keycaps. And finally, we have the Venatos Swapper Pro. So now that I got everything out of the box, we have some extra stuff actually. Venatos kindly sent me 2 keychains and some Venatos stickers. I'll be sure to put these on my items. So here's 3 Venatos stickers. So Venatos does send you some freebies when they can. Okay guys, that was everything in the box, as you can see. Now let's actually talk about everything in detail. Okay guys, right before I end the video, let's talk about what I got, how I got it, and how you guys can get it too. So in the box I got 4 Venatos stickers, 2 Venatos keychain, a lovely Venatos Swapper Pro. I will be doing reviews on these 3 things, some purple keycaps and navy keycaps. Now let's take a look at what's inside. I'll just quickly open up the pouches like so. I will be releasing full reviews. So here's the navy keycaps like so. Let's put them back in their box. And here are the purple keycaps. Now Venatos offers a very big range of keycaps. They even have puddings. They have everything you want and everything you need. So my reviews about the company is amazing. Venatos is a very good company. What happened was my order went missing somehow. I don't know what happened to it. It probably got lost in shipping, or probably destroyed or stolen. And I contacted Venatos, and within a few minutes they asked me for my order number. I gave them my order number. They got me sorted, set, and they sent me out another one instantly. And the shipping was fast. The hospitality of the company was great. Customer service is amazing and on point, and that's why you guys should get it too. And if you guys would like to get anything in the video, my code Pokey will give you 10% off at the Venatos store. I am sponsored and affiliated by them. So that was all for today's video. I will be reviewing all 3, so stay tuned, subscribe, and hit that bell icon to get notified of when I upload these 3 videos. Peace out.